This video is going to be on shower curtains. As you can see, there's my shower curtain. It's clear. They last about a year, maybe less, maybe 2 years, before they get so filthy with soap scum and dirt that no matter how much you clean them, they get dirty and dirty. You can see it's got water spots all over. So the question is it worth going out and buying a new one? This cost me about $20. I replace it about every couple years. Is it worth going out and buying a new one, or is it better to use lots of strong chemicals and destroy your lungs and your health and your body over the years? For me, it gets to I don't use chemicals, so it gets to a point where after a while I try to keep this as clean as I can, and then I just go out and buy another one. Hopefully the video is going to help you. Please do a thumbs up, a subscribe, a like, a share, leave a comment. You want to support my channel, click on the affiliate links in the video description before you put any order in for Amazon. Or if you want to donate to my PayPal to help me out, that would be awesome. Titan Premium. This thing used to cost like $30-some. Now they're down to about $20. You can buy the cheapy ones. You can buy the really cheap ones for about $10, but they don't have the resist mildew. Not that this really works. I don't know. I've never had mildew. I just get massive amounts of soap scum. Let me take that back. Let me show you what we've got going on down here. Let's scroll down to the bottom. You scroll down on a video camera? Where's that dirt that you just saw? That's kind of mildew, mold. I don't know if it's showing up that well on the camera. So, you know, they last for a while, and then my advice to you is just go out, spend the money. All of us should be able to afford a $20 shower curtain every couple of years. At 24 months, that's $1 a month. You can save up and go out and buy a shower curtain. Avoid using those toxic chemicals. I would like to list this as a purchase on Amazon, so somebody could click on this, but Amazon does not sell Titan shower curtains. It's mostly Bed Bath & Beyond, so that's why I'm asking you, just click on the link anyway if you're going to do an Amazon order. It will help me out. Click on anything in the video description before you order with Amazon. But I'm going to show you, as you can see, this is clear. It's an absolute nightmare. And, you know, they come in different sizes. Most of them, some of them are bigger than this. This is 72 by 72. I think I needed something like 72 by 50, maybe 60 or something like that. So having it a little wider is not a big issue. Some of these come in 80, and if you don't want an 80 if you need a 72, that's for sure. So let me take this nightmare off, and we'll put this thing on, and we'll see what it looks like. Do you need to watch me do that? Well, you can't, because it's going to be hard to get the camera in there and unhook all of these hooks up at the top, if we can see them all. So I'll be back in a couple minutes, and that way you can see all the mold there on the shower. Woo! That's the next video, replacing my caulk. That is where the curtain was stuck to with some water. It's kind of going out of focus. So I clean the shower all the time, but I usually leave the curtain along that area that's just dirty water that's dried up. That's one reason to replace the curtain. The other reason to replace the curtain, this is just the dirt and filth that grows on this thing even when you clean it over time. It just gets really bad. So my advice to you, spend the money, go buy a shower curtain every couple of years, replace it. And also for a toilet, every 3 or 4 or 5 years, they just get nasty and filthy and they don't get clean anymore. If you can afford it, spend $250, buy a new toilet. And that's it. Thanks for watching my videos, people. Check out all the other awesome stuff I posted. See ya! There it is, everybody. They come in light, medium, and heavy. The heavy is something I'd recommend. The light is going to be as cheap as can be, like plastic wrap. The heavy, I wouldn't exactly call this heavy. This is really cheap stuff, but it works. It's clear. You can see through the shower. It's clean. Down on the bottom over there now, all the stains are clean. Everything looks good. So yeah, it's definitely worth it. I would also make sure, if you can afford it, go out and buy hooks. These hooks, I opened them up, and a lot of them didn't want to snap back together properly. But it's worth spending the money. You're worth it. We're all worth it. Spend the money, have nice things in your house, be happy. Yeah.